Let's see if there's some fish over here. Oh, Dax, come here. You got a plan? What's the plan? Tori, that one's gonna bite. Guys, that's a nice brim right there. I got Dax looking for a grasshopper. You see any? All right, come back this way.
It's metal.
It sounds like glass.
It's
All right, let's see if I can help you find her. Well, let's just throw a cricket in there. You want to throw a cricket in? We'll throw another cricket in. I could have got two for the price of one. Dax, what do you think will happen if we throw a cricket out there in the water?
Die.
Come here, let's see what happens. Come stand right here. Now, what do you think is going to happen if we throw the crickets out there?
Put it in my hand.
Now, these are live, so they're going to tickle your hand.
Tickle me.
You got to close your hand on him, or he's going to crawl away. Okay, you want me to throw him? Watch.
No, me.
Okay. You got to throw it in the water, though. Okay, you got to close your hand. Okay, now turn around and throw it. Watch, Dax. Look, there went the cricket. Watch him. He's out there swimming. See him?
A dead one.
Okay. Watch. Watch. Okay, throw it in there.
A dead one.
Boom. What happened to him, Dax?
I don't know.
A fish ate him. Watch him. See him on?
Get the fish.
See him on the water right there? If he keeps wiggling his leg, a fish is gonna come eat him. Well, the cricket didn't make it through that. Oh, what's up with them? They usually bite better than this. I got them pretty deep, thinking we might find some bigger ones.
I want to see a fish.
Okay, take the lid off.
But I can't.
If you love fishing, please subscribe. All right, let's move over. Let's move over there off the point. Let's see if there's some fish over here. All right, well, look right in this grass right here. Look right in this little patch right here. Do you see any hopping? Look, walk real slow, Dax. Oh, Dax, come here. Dax, put him in the bucket and come here. I got a fish for you. All right. Hold the rod like Grandpa showed you. Put one hand up here on this handle. Now, reel with the other. Reel. Oh, he came off. Oh, gosh. Okay, we'll get you another one. Hang tight. Look for grasshoppers over here by this rock. Well, Dax, we thought we'd found a grasshopper, and what was it? You think this is where the frog lives out here by the lake? All right, well, come over here. I'm getting some bites over here pretty good. Here, Dax. Let's hook crickets up for Sassy. Hit them. Okay, give me your story. Throw it right out there. All right, take them over to Sassy. She's got a fish.
Daddy, look at this.
Ooh, that's nice.
I got it for you.
Thank
I
you.
got this for you.
Okay, let me put it in my pocket.
Oh, wait, we can put it in a box.
Could be pretty far right now. There we go.
Yeah.
All right, you're good to go. There's Dax's frog we found. All right, Dax, let's see if we can get a fish on this one. Look, Dax, you hear those geese?
Yeah.
They're up there in the sky. They're flying south. Oh, you see them? There's a bunch of them. See them in that line? They're flying south for the winter. They don't like the cold, so they leave. Some of them. All right, Tori, you're getting a bite. All right, Dax, you want to reel Sassy's fish in? She's got a big one. Bless you. Okay. Pull him up. Oh, yeah, that is a good one. Nice brim. You got a plan? What's the plan, Tori? That one's going to bite. Look, Dax. Look at this big one. Well, then you and the bucket will both fall off in the grass. I think it will. Okay, we'll see. Guys, that's a nice brim right there. That's a good one. If you love fishing, please subscribe.